Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail for a BeamNG YouTube video. Think that looks good? Now, press escape, photo mode. You can adjust roll to your liking. And for me, I like to turn down the FOV. It makes it look more cinematic. Let's turn up a little more. Okay, time of day. Usually sunset looks the coolest. Filter. That looks good. Bloom. Put that on high. Take a huge screenshot. You can use any drawing software you like, but I recommend Sketchpad. So what you're going to want to do is hit New. Make sure that the width and height is at 1080p. Then pick Transparent. Create. Now load your own image. Then after selecting it, it'll load it in. Now resize it. Now that you've got the sizing to your liking, what I did was these options here. And yeah, I already wrote it here. After that, what I like to do is go to here, type in square, and I find one of these. Then I put it in here. Okay, now export, download, download. Okay, here you can see it is at 3.2 megabytes, which is too much for YouTube. The max on YouTube is 2 megabytes for a thumbnail. You're going to have to go to your image compressing website of choice. Mine is this imagecompressor.com. I'll link it in the description. Upload, download. And there you have it, how to make an amateur thumbnail for a BeamNG YouTube video.